Hey entrepreneurs, it's Sam Day here from DeyTips, and in this video I'm speaking about how you can create Instagram video ads using an app called Filmr. Now I've actually done loads of videos before on Instagram ads and how to create effective Instagram ads and Facebook ads, and I'll leave some links in the description down below so you can check those videos out as well. But what is really important is the video that you create, that the video is engaging, that it's enticing. Remember, Facebook and Instagram ads is interruption marketing. So you need to capture the attention of those people who are on those platforms to click on your link, to listen to your message, and most importantly, to buy your product or your service. So as you can see, I've actually got my mobile phone here as well, and I'm going to show you how this app works and how you can create effective video ads using Filmr. This video is kindly sponsored by Filmr, so a huge shout out and thanks to them as well. So as you can see, this is what the app looks like, and you can actually choose from your camera roll or from your or you can choose camera, so I can record a video straight into Filmr. But I'm going to go into camera roll, and if I select that, then it will take me into where all of my images are. So I've got a few videos here that I can actually utilize. So I can select one. Let me select this one, for example, and click on that, and it will import that video for me into the app itself. Once I import a video, you will see the video actually comes into Filmr itself, and you can actually select how much of the video you want in. So if you only wanted the first 10 seconds in, for example, then you just kind of shorten the video to 10 seconds. If you want the whole video in, then you kind of leave the whole thing in. You can actually choose a snippet of the video as well. If you wanted to kind of like just snippet this specific area, then you can do that too. It also gives you the option to add music to this video as well. So if I select music, and then I click on the music button at the bottom, then I can add music that Filmr have in their kind of categories, or I can select my own music as well from my phone, which is really cool as well. So if you produce your own music or you have music on your phone, you can utilize that as well. Now, obviously, you want to make sure that the music you're using is actually usable. Don't be using music that is copywritten and that you can't, or you're not supposed to use in ads, because you can get in trouble for that. So just be careful with what type of music you do use. You can also easily add text as well by clicking on text and then the little text button here. So you can add a call to action. Maybe you add click here, for example. You can change the font as well of your text, make it something that would stand out, and then you can also change the color as well to make that stand out too, and you can decide where to kind of toggle that or move that. And you can also select how long you keep the text on your screen as well. So as you can see, the click here button, if I click on this, then it gives me an option to where I actually want the click here button to start. So I can choose, okay, I want it to only come up during this particular section, or I can, if I did that, then it comes up for the whole entire video. So, you know, you can kind of make adjustments there. You can also add filters to your videos as well if you wanted it to look a certain way. You know, it has blue heart, deep dark, and as you can see, it kind of changes the look of and feel of the video when you change a different filter. And you can change the format as well. So depending on what platform you're planning to put this video on, if it's just Instagram, or if maybe you wanted to create one for Instagram stories, you can select horizon, you can select square, vertical, or stories. And if the video is formatted for stories, then that will be great as well for you to put it in stories, and then you can select that option in your ads. So once you've finished with your video, you can actually select the send button, and you can actually save it to your phone. You can send it to YouTube, to WhatsApp, to Instagram stories. So obviously I recommend you save it to your phone. So obviously you can save it to your phone, you can send it to your computer, and then you can actually upload it to Facebook. So when you go to your Facebook Ads Manager, hopefully you have seen the inside of the Facebook Ads Manager before. If you haven't, again, I'll be leaving some of my Facebook ads tutorials in the description down below, so make sure you check those out. But you want to make sure you are in the ad level, the ad set level here. So you have the campaign, you have the ad set, and then you have the ad level where you're actually creating your ad. And then you can go to single image or video ad, and this is where you would actually upload your video to to Facebook as your ad. So as you can see here, it says add media, and you can choose add video. And here you can upload the video that you created with Filmr. So if you have any issues with transferring your video footage that you made with Filmr to your computer, you can actually use this website that I use often called wetransfer.com. And now I'll leave a links to it in the description down below. And basically what this allows you to do is you can go onto your phone and you can add a file from your phone. And when you add that file to WeTransfer, it will create a downloadable link. So you can email yourself that link, download the video to your computer, and then you can actually add that video to the Facebook ad that you are creating. So that's essentially how you create videos in Filmr. So you can literally just film a video on your phone, upload it to Filmr, play about with it, add some music, add some text, make sure that it's in the right format as well. And then you can add that video to your Facebook ad to make it more appealing, to make it more attractive. So hopefully this video helps some of you guys out. If you are looking for a way to edit videos on your phone for your Instagram or Facebook ads, if you have any questions whatsoever as it pertains to Facebook ads, then do let me know in the comments section and I'll do my best to help you out. Links to Filmr and also to WeTransfer will be in the description down below, so make sure you go and check those out as well. So in terms of Filmr, in terms of the prices that they offer, they have £1.50 for a week, so you can utilize that option if you only want to use it for a week. They have £10.99 for a year and £2.39 for 1 month. So it's really affordable for you to utilize Filmr as well. So I recommend using it. It's a really cool app. It's really effective as well. They're not going to charge you every single month. You know, the prices are really flexible and affordable. So I really do hope that this video brought some of you guys value. I also have the formula, guys. This is the free guide to generating leads and sales online for your business. So if you haven't downloaded it yet, if you haven't read it yet, I highly recommend that you click the link somewhere on this screen or in the description down below. It's going to teach you some of the fundamentals to driving online sales to your products and services using platforms such as Facebook, but other means as well. But if this video did help you out, then please click the like button down below and make sure you share this video with a friend. If you have any additional questions or comments, then leave them for me in the comment section. But until next time, watch some of my other great videos. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for more awesome business related content. Have a great day. Make sure you download the formula and I will see you soon.